Okay, in this video, let's show downloading FairCom Edge and installing it for Linux. So we'll start in a browser. We'll go to FairCom.com. There's a nice download products link right here, button. We'll click that. Now we're interested in Edge, so we'll scroll down to the Edge section and click Download FairCom Edge. It wants some information, so we'll supply that. Okay, we'll agree to the license agreement. We're going to click this Download Edge button now. This takes us to a page that shows all the different packages we have to download. We're interested in Linux, specifically Linux x64, 64-bit. So we'll click on that package. It's downloading it. Okay, it's done. Now I need to send that to my Linux box, so we'll do that. All right, now let's go look at that box. Yeah, so I just sent it to documents/edge. It doesn't really, it doesn't have to be any specific spot. Just pick a place that makes sense to you. There's this package. It's a zipped tar, so let's unpack that with the tar -xvzf command. And it unpacks it into a subdirectory with all of our stuff in it. So now we have the tar package and the subdirectory. We'll go into that subdirectory. Now you see in here, there's several different directories again. We're interested in the server one. We'll go into there, and then there's an executable called FairCom. We want to run that. And there it goes, it's running. Now, of course, in production, you would want to have a systemd script to launch this and make sure it stays running. But just for the purpose of this demo, I just ran it, and you can see it. We have start and stop scripts available that you can use. And we have there's a utility that you can tell it to shut down or you use systemd. So that's it.